Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to give CapCut access to your photos on mobile. I was trying to import some clips into CapCut the other day and realized the app couldn't see my photos at all, which usually means it doesn't have permissions to access your gallery yet. The first time you open a project in CapCut, like tapping New Project or Photo Editor, the app normally asks for permissions to access your photos. If that pop-up appears, just tap Allow and CapCut will immediately be able to import videos and images from your phone. If you missed a prompt or accidentally denied it, you can fix it through your phone settings. I open Settings, scroll down to the CapCut, and tap on the photos permissions. From there, switching the option to full access allows CapCut to see your entire photo library. After turning that on and reopening the app, the media library showed up instantly. Once permission is enabled, importing clips into CapCut becomes smoother, which makes editing project a lot easier. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.